Today we're going to be learning about the Mozilla Developer Network. Now learn to search and use the Mozilla uh, Developer Network documentation. Now what this is when learning a topic, it's often helpful to go straight to the source to read more from the original documentation. For web development, one of the most well-known names in the industry is the Mozilla Developer Network, or MDN for short. This open source network of documentation and tools has information about a wide variety of topics related to web development, including HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Now, MDN originally started with documentation for web browsers, but has grown to cover a wide variety of web-related topics over the years. Today, companies like Microsoft and Google actively support MDN as a central source of information about web technology. Now, while reading or using MDN documentation isn't required to complete the Codecademy lessons or projects, it's an important resource for you to be aware of as you start to put your skills to practical use by working on projects off of the platform. Knowing where to go for more information will be essential for your growth and success as a developer. Now, in this video, we'll be covering how to search for MDN articles as well as identifying which sections relate to what you're looking for. Now, the examples provided will focus on HTML syntax, but this article will give you a general idea of how to use MDN documentation. Now, to simply find documentation related to a topic you're looking for, go to the home page and find the search bar right here in the upper right corner of the page. You can simply just search or type in the topic, press enter, and probably find it just like that. Now choose a result and you'll be taken to a page displaying more details about the topic. And MDN article sections. So every MDN article usually divides content into separate sections. The types of sections will vary depending on the topic, but the following you'll find in HTML documentation. So find a definition and a demo, attributes of it, uses, notes, examples, accessibility, concerns, specifications, browser compatibility, and related topics. Now, except for the related topic sidebar, you can jump on the relevant section you want to look at by clicking in the menu on this page, located at the top of the page. Each section will be covered, starting with those that should provide you with immediate help with syntax, followed by sections that give more general information about HTML. One thing to note before continuing is that it's not necessary to read every section in an article and understand all content in it. Feel free to pick and choose sections that make the most sense to you so you can really use it and not really just thinking like, oh, it's a book or it's a video, I have to finish all of it or else I'll be stuck. No. You can just read bits and pieces, form some sort of idea in your head. Look at the examples. That's what I would recommend. Now, most of this is just going through the sections, the definition and demo, the attributes, the usage notes, the examples, the supporting sections, the accessibility concerns, the specifications, the browser compatibility, and related topics. So just to recap, introducing you to MDN documentation really provides you with an additional resource for looking up syntax and familiarizes you with one of the most important sources of documentation about web technologies. It also gives you a resource to enrich and extend your knowledge of a topic or subject beyond the beginner level. So when you're stuck on something, or you just want to learn a little more, try reading the documentation. You might just find what you're looking for. But that's going to end the video. Was about intro to Mozilla Developer Network or MDN. But without further ado, see you guys in the next one and have a great